Hello, my name is Đăng Tuấn. Today I will talk about the laptop. First, I will talk who invented the laptop. The laptop was developed in the 1009 1970 and 1980 is what created by scientists and engineers. Today laptops are used over the world. Mm, Next is the laptop has a screen and a keyboard that fold together like a class clamshells. Modern ones are very thin and light, mostly plastic, metal, like aluminum, and glass for the screen. Its electricity stored in a rechargeable lithium ion battery. Why it is useful? Because you can do work, play game, or watch movie anywhere at a cafe, on a plane, or in bed. People should buy a laptop because it is convenient and easy to carry. It help us study, work, and relax. It saves time and make our life easier. Mm, a laptop costs about $500 to $1,000. People can buy it at an electronics store or online shops. These are many types of laptops of different size and color. Some laptops are very light and fast. They are very popular today. Thank you for listening.